Hi, I'm Megan Daly with Royal LePage Pro Alliance.
And I'm Victoria Franker with Remax Elite. And we're excited to introduce to you this incredible equestrian property just minutes from the village of Lakefield.
Set on 46 acres, this well-established horse facility has been run for decades. Located close to Peterborough and the Trent-Severn Waterway, this property offers convenience and rural beauty.
The main barn features 9 stalls, a feed area, tack room, and a connected 20 by 40 meter indoor riding arena with a large viewing room.
Second barn offers 12 additional stalls and a large hay loft to store your hay. Gives you plenty of room to expand your business. Come with me and check out the main house.
There's also a secondary dwelling just waiting for your personal touches, ideal for staff or family members. If you've been dreaming of owning a turnkey equestrian facility, this could be the one. Feel free to reach out to Megan or myself. We would be happy to show you everything this amazing property has to offer.